Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon less greasy. Start by patting strips dry, then preheat a heavy pan to medium so fat renders gradually. Arrange bacon in a single layer and resist crowding the pan. Flip occasionally to brown both sides evenly and use tongs to lift pieces so excess fat pools away. Finish on paper towels to blot remaining grease and serve crisp, not soggy. Begin with a clean, moderately heated pan for controlled rendering and less splatter. If baking, place strips on a wire rack over a sheet pan so fat drips away. Cook slowly until fat liquefies and bacon crisps, flipping once if needed for even color. Remove to paper towels to catch residual grease and rest briefly so fat firms up slightly. Enjoy crisp texture without heavy oiliness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long kitchen sessions and fits most cup holders for easy use. It's leak-resistant and looks great next to your pan while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Patting and draining are simple steps that cut grease dramatically. Blot strips before cooking to remove moisture that causes splatter, and during cooking, tip the pan to spoon away pooled fat. Transfer finished bacon to a paper towel-lined plate or a cooling rack so remaining fat drains away. Let strips rest a moment to firm up for easier handling. These small steps yield crisp bacon with less oily bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.